a video about my garden, and like you know, when you have followed my channel, you know that I'm also have another hobby, and that's gardening. And here we see at first the potato plants. Do they have already a certain potatoes at their back, and then I mean underground? I don't know. Of course I don't take them out because they have to grow for a somewhat longer time. Here we have the tomatoes. They were elaborated first in the windowsill during 1 month or so. Anyway, there's not so much growth here, so I hope that they will elaborate more in the future. And here we have again potato plants. I leave them as they are. Here we have basilicum, and here we have, as far as I know, bell peppers. They grow a little bit. Their stem, the development of the stem is quite good, so that no snails can eat the stem up. Anyway, and this is leeks, here also leeks. Potatoes again, and here is celery, as far as I know. Celery, and also here leeks. They were planted approximately 1 month ago, and I leave them as they are anyway. So here are all kinds of buckets for water. During the past months there was a lot of water, rainwater in the Netherlands, and I try to save it all here, and also here, etc., etc. So when we have dry times, could be that dry times are coming in the Netherlands. I have a lot of water stored. Anyway, this is dill, leek, onions. I planted them very early in the season, so let me take one out to see whether there is still a kind of bulb. Well, there's not a real onion now here, but anyway, let's wait and see. This is magie leaves. Here we have another plant, and well, tomatoes again, and here tomatoes again, and here also tomatoes, etc., etc. And these are cayenne peppers, and these are, as far as I know, bell peppers. I say as far as I know, but I'm almost sure anyway. Here again potatoes, and here celery, a lot of celery, more or less eaten up by insects, etc., etc. It's blooming, and it is celery from the past year anyway. So not so much more to tell, kind of overview here. Tobacco, that's very important to tell. I planted tobacco seeds and they started with, say, a 1 millimeter plant in the windowsill. But now they have grown out to, say, these big plants. And this is lettuce, by the way. Anyway, I did not tell that earlier. Anyway, so let's go back. Look at the tobacco plants. Well, they are beautiful. Had not expected this, say, from a seed that in the earlier stages had a leaf of 1 millimeter or so. And now it is so big. Snails here have, say, taken up a part of that leaf, and that hole also grows bigger when the leaves grow. So that's a very bad thing. Anyway, one of the reasons that I have, say, taken this this box to a higher position. Thanks for watching. Leaks here, etc, etc. And again, thanks for watching. This is my garden at 2 June 2024.